Today we'll talk about how can you disable promotions notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications. You just click on it. Come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to promotions here. So click in this sign or this color. Like then you click here on turn off notifications. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main promotions disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.